Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Pisces. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies. These are for your daily energies, guys. Knight of Pentacles, King of Cups in reverse, and the Star, guys. So with these cards, Pisces, the energy is that in your situation, guys, these cards may relate to your personal life or your career situation, guys. So you are a person who knows what are your goals and what you need to achieve and what is your path, and you are moving towards your goals, your achievements today, guys. You are making in that efforts, and you are a person of uh, what to say, who has that great force and determination in achieving anything whatever you want in life. So you are working towards that, making those efforts and moving towards your goals, and you have that faith and hope in your situation, guys. And you are a person who maintains that harmony and balance in any situation. So even in some troubling situations, you are able to find that balance in your situation, guys, and people admire you greatly for that. And great opportunities are also coming towards you, guys. This may relate to your personal life or in your career. Some opportunities or offers are coming towards you, something great. And maybe for some of y'all, there may be people trying to involve you in some kind of fraud activities, some fraudulent financial schemes, maybe, guys. So you need to be very careful. Someone may be working against you, trying to deceive you or cheat you in some way, uh, trying to make you go under laws, something they are working against you, guys. So you need to be really careful, guys. Or someone, they may be spreading some rumors, or they may try to involve you in some scandals. So you need to be really careful. That is also what I see here. Maybe if you are a prominent person, you need to try to avoid people whom you may not have clarity about, deep understanding about. So those people's friendships, you should be what to say, maintain it with some distance, Pisces. Distance those people. You may not have that complete trust. That is what I see with these cards. What is the energy with the other cards? Let us see what are the cards for your love energies, Pisces. We'll be picking cards from the other deck, guys. These are also tarot cards. So for your love energies, Anchor, Tower, and Clouds. With these cards, guys, the energy is that for your relationship, guys, you may have some kind of confusion or something blocking your clarity in your relationship. You may not see the truth about this person. So uh, you feel that you cannot trust them, you cannot rely on them, guys. That is what I see with these cards. And maybe for some of you, you may come to what to say, a difficult kind of understanding. um, Maybe in your situation today, things are shaping up in such a way that You may feel lonely or some kind of isolation. You may feel that people are not understanding you, they are not involving you in anything. You may feel left out, some emotionally lonely feeling, or it may be a physical loneliness also for some of you. So you may feel hurt and you are confused about this person you are in relationship with, or you may feel this person has left you alone, they are not visiting you, or you both are unable to meet each other. Something isolating you both, separating you both. That may be some kind of confusions, maybe the reason here. Maybe your doubts on this person or their doubts on you, or it may be some kind of responsibilities, guys. They may be burdened with some responsibilities in their work, or some thing in their life. So some heavy responsibilities may be the reason for this separation, or maybe they are working towards some kind of completion in their work, in their career, and they may be reaching that goal very soon, guys. That goal, whatever achievements that they are planning for themselves, they may be accomplishing that. So that may be the reason they are putting in all their time and efforts in their work, and they are not able to spend time with you. And also I feel maybe if this is your energy, you may be completing that, reaching that goal or achievement, whatever it is, and you may be happy for it, guys, because you are able to complete that burden, that responsibility, and you are happy for it. That is also what I see here, guys. So some kind of confusions are there today, some kind of loneliness or isolation you may feel in your relationship. So what is the oracle's guidance for you all? I'll be picking one card randomly from this deck, Pisces, for you all. Let us see what is the card, what is the oracle's guidance. Blessed. With this card, guys, the energy for you all is that it may relate to your work situation or your relationship, guys. So with this card, the energy is that something which you have not expected, beyond your expectation, is coming towards you, guys. It's a blessing from the universe. That is what you will feel, how when things are turning in an unexpected way in your work or in your relationship, guys. Maybe with this relationship, you may be moving towards a deep connection with this person. That transformation is there in your relationship. You may have that understanding, that intimacy in this connection, and how things are changing gracefully today for you. So this card denotes some kind of blessing is coming your way, guys. That is the oracle's guidance for you all, Pisces, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Pisces.